You are going to love the 2012 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control system, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.